Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a bloody while and I've tried to film like so many videos and I've just not went through with them, so I thought I would do a quick cook with me. I say quick, I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm making dinner for me and Isaac. I'm just back from the gym and I'm going to make, I'll probably put in a wee photo here or something, garlic and sesame chicken. We had it last week and it was actually so good, so I thought I would film myself doing it. So yeah, first things first, I need to cook. I've got 4 chicken breasts, so we have leftovers so we can have it tomorrow, but I've got to cut it up, which is so gross because I cannot stand cutting up raw chicken. It's actually the worst thing in the world, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and I'm not gonna film myself doing it because I'll probably get slagged off for the way I cut it, so I'll come back to you in a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna add things to the chicken so that it can have some flavour. Okay, so I'm gonna add salt, quite a lot of salt. I'm gonna add, well, I should add pepper, but I don't have any pepper. Chinese fries spice. Whoops, that's a bit much. Oh no, I did not mean to do that. But that's fine. There's 4 breasts. Also, sorry if you can't hear me, the kettle's boiling. I still need to add egg for the cornflour, so I'm going to add 2 because there's 4 breasts. Just give that a really good mix. Next thing I need to do is put each piece of chicken in cornflour. So I quite like to use like a big tub, so like something like this. This is the size of it. And put the cornflour in it. Okay, so then once that's done, you get your pan. Yeah, I know I've got enough. Okay, so you get your pan and then you put oil in it. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You want to put enough so that the chicken can fry in it.
Why isn't it 2 pans?
There's one's for sauce. There's nothing in it to eat, so please be clean.
Hey!
Get out.
No!
Yeah. You don't need to get in here.
No, you didn't put it in here.
It on a medium heat, so I've got it on number 6. While I'm doing that, I'm going to make the sauce. Ow! Burnt myself. Sesame oil and garlic into a pan and let the garlic saute for 1 to 2 minutes. I got this sticky rice stuff from Tesco. It was £1 and you just microwave it once you pierce it. And then I've cut my spring onion, put on top. The last batch of chicken is cooking. Sorry, that's a really bad angle, but the best I can do is bring this up, heat, put in my sesame seeds. the finished product.
It's not what you say to me. No, it's just the way that you say it to me.